guys, what's up? I'm back with a new video. So today I'm literally going to do a video on how to style a basic outfit, which is black t-shirt and jeans, and how you can use different jackets, bags, shoes to like dress up your outfit or dress down your outfit or make it a bit more casual or make it in between. So yeah, I mean, I tend to wear a lot of, my go-to will be like a black t-shirt and jeans. If I can't think of anything or don't have an outfit in mind, I will literally just pick up my jeans and I'll pick up my top and I'll just go from there. So from there, I usually just tend to see what I'm feeling, if I'm a bit more going professional or need to be like a bit more smart, or if I need to be a little bit casual, like, or do I want to be like casual but you know with a bit of oomph to it. So I'll go from there. So I'll pick my jacket or my accessories from there, and that's it. That's how I'll do a quick style, just like that, and I'll be put together basically in some sense. But yeah, so throughout this whole video I'll have the same jeans and top with a black skirt on, and everything else I'll be mixing and matching to make this outfit, you know, a little bit jazzed up. But yeah, I mean, like you can have more accessories like watches or bracelets, necklaces, but I wear watches, but I didn't do it with this video. But I mean, I took my main basic accessories, so such as bags and shoes, and just combined a couple of outfits for you guys to get some inspiration of. So I hope you enjoy this video. Right, so that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I had fun making it. It's really hot here. It's like, I think it's like 26 to 30 degrees in England right now, so I'm like boiling. I have the fan on, but it's not doing much. But yeah, I mean, I did it for you guys, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. But yeah, I'll probably when this video out, I'll either be back from Canada or going to pay. No, I'm going to be in Canada or back from Canada, either one. Don't know how this is going to work out, but I mean, yeah. So let me know if you want more of these types of videos. I'm down to do like different, I don't know, how to just do a denim jacket and wear like so many different outfits with it, or like, I don't know, if you want to get some more inspiration from some of my clothes, I mean, let me know in the description box if you want more of these types of videos. It's just for like examples of like how to dress up just a denim jacket or just a leather jacket, or I don't know, how to dress up, I don't know, Timberlands or something like that. Just let me know, and I'll think about it and make a new video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I've said that 100 times now. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because we're slowly getting there. The YouTube family is finally growing slowly. I am a bit inconsistent, but it's just because of life and stuff, but I hope I can keep it up, you know. But yeah, anyways, stay fearless and keep going. Bye.